Hey guys, welcome back to the Fast Fix. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix the invite friends feature not working in Monopoly Go. Let's get right into it. First, head over to your phone settings. Now scroll down and find the apps section. Tap on that, then go to Manage Apps or Apps Management. Give it a moment to load all apps and then use the search bar at the top to type in Monopoly Go. Once you find in, tap on it. Next, select storage, then tap on clear data. Here, all you need to do is clear the cache for Monopoly Go. Once that's done, restart your phone and reopen the app. The issue should now be fixed. And that is it. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a fix. I'll see you, as always, on the next one.